Hey guys, it's Christy Bell, Warranty Supervisor for Providence Homes. For today's maintenance video, we're going to be doing a little maintenance on the interior of your windows. So periodically you need to check the functionality of your windows and make sure they're opening and closing smoothly and your lock is locking correctly, because dust and debris can get in there and make it a little stiff or a little hard to open. So today we're going to lubricate our windows. Just use regular WD-40 or a siliconized spray. To do the tilt-out feature on your window, first you want to unlock the window, raise it 6 to 8 inches, pull your tilt-out tabs, and tilt your window out. Now, you want to lubricate the balance rods on each side. Get your latches, close your window, and open and close it a couple of times to make sure it's operating smoothly, and lock it. Then all is good. We appreciate you watching our maintenance videos today. Thank you.